Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about distinct function, distinct as well as value function. What is the distinct and what is the value? So it returns unique values of the column, values of a column. So what is the syntax of that? Syntax of that. Distinct or values and name of the column name. Let me explain about one scenario. I have a product table. I have product table. I have product table where you can see at table view level. I have a product subcategory key column. If you observe, there is a duplicate here 31, 31, 31, 90, and 10. So what is the distinct count of this? That is 37 distinct. If I want this column as a separate value without duplicates, we would use distinct, either distinct or values function. Before going into discuss about these, we will implement this. So I want to discuss one more point about distinct and value function is it's not a direct function at the measure level. So what does it mean? Means means we need to use this function this function need to use this function with along with need to use this function along with do this function along with another function like calculate. And also one more point I need to discuss about this. It is a direct function at table level. So we can use directly this function at table level. So let me discuss what actually these 2 points are. So let me create a measure. Let me create a measure. Let me create a measure at product table. What I want I want distinct subcategory. I want distinct subcategory. So for that, what I'm using value function. Values. Along, what is the name of the column? Subcategory. Let me hit OK. So I'm just trying to drag this up measure into the visualization where we can see there is a error showing by the Power BI. So what actually it is? It displays a table of multiple values was supplied where a single value is expected. So what it does it mean is, so if you want to use table functions at a measure level, we have to use along with another function, another function. In the same way, if you use distinct function, again it throws the same error, same error. So it's not a direct function at measure level. So means we need to use this function along with another function. So another function. Now let me discuss about this point. It's a direct function at the table level. So if you are using this function at table level, directly. So how to create a table? Go to the model and create a new table, create a new table, create a new table, distinct subcategory. So I'm using distinct subcategory. So I have I have one column. You observe here there is a unique column created. If you observe there is a 37. So our expectation 37, we are getting the same value. So drag it here, you can observe. Now we can observe. So let me take as a row card. Is a 37. In the same way, we can use the value function. You can use values function. We'll get similar result. We will get similar result. This is the this is the application. This is the use of the value function. So let me summarize the points. It returns unique value of a column. If you want non-duplicates of any column, you'll use usually the distinct and the value function. Syntax of the distinct and value function is distinct and value takes input as a column name. It's not a direct function that doesn't what it inputs we have to use along with another function. And it is not a and it is a direct function at table level. Okay. So I think you enjoy the session. If you like it, if you enjoyed the session, please like it and subscribe it and comment on it. Thank you.